I am excited today to talk a little bit about opponent process theory. This has to do with how color is received and processed within the brain. So light has entered the eye and traveled through the retina, and now it goes to the brain. And so in opponent process theory, it says that there are three different channels within the brain. So there's a channel that is responsible for receiving the white-black signals, one that's responsible for receiving the red-green signals, and another that's responsible for receiving the yellow-blue signals. So if you have ever looked at an object and then looked away at, say, a blank wall, and you see an after image, this is opponent process theory. So within these different channels, when, for example, you see black, the black cells are stimulated, but then the white cells are inhibited. So this process is called lateral inhibition. So it is responsible for edge sharpening and shape detection. Now, as these signals travel through the brain creates what we call retinotopic and feature maps. And this is important because these are what will direct a user's attention. Now, it's important to note that all of this is done pre-attentively. So what that means is that it's not consciously in a person's thoughts. So it happens before the signal has reached what we call the prefrontal cortex or central executive. That is where you have your conscious thoughts and you're actually thinking about, what do I want to look at? Where do I want to focus my attention? So as a designer, if you can understand this and create designs that utilize the pre-attentive processing, it will make your design so much more intuitive. So this is super cool, super interesting stuff. So I hope that you enjoyed this video.